Nailed the board back on from the bear pulling it out. I still gotta clean up the pillow mess, and we'll work on in this video we're working on the river view. Take out trees, we'll tree thin some trees so when we sit here we'll make a good sitting spot and make so you can see the river good. I'm gonna take out this tree here, this one here, maybe a couple back there and one there, and a couple little ones here, and that spruce tree there, and this one, and maybe take that one out too. But we'll do the easy stuff for now, and we'll take this, we'll clear here a bit better here, and we got the rakes and shovels to do the groundwork. And when I'm done, I'll have a fireplace here and a couple of sitting. For now, we'll cut the trees for today and haul more stuff. Okay, I'm gonna cut these trees now. Right there, making steps so it'll be easy to climb. Need a build an actual steps in or a sideways ramp. Another project. But for now, we'll make steps. Okay. There we go, folks. That's how I climb up. There. Okay, steps all fixed up temporarily. My brother said he got mad, damn military steps, he said. I laugh at him. He's funny. My brother Herbie. Sharpen my saw before I get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Folks, here's be our chair, be our sitting table. Oh, it's heavy. There we go. Oh, have a seat on it. I'll put make a bench up there. Yeah, it's not too bad. It'll work. Look at the view.